So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. Today we are going to take your next practice set. That is practice set 13. I think so. We have taken this 7, 12 here. Practice set 13. Now, before starting your practice set, we have some of the questions or some of the new terms here. The first is here given to you. काय दिलं बघा तुम्हाला reciprocal. काय दिलं तुम्हाला reciprocal or multiplicative inverses. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverses. So what do you mean by that? Reciprocals or multiplicative inverses. So you can see here, guys, that reciprocal of 5/6 म्हणजे त्याला काय करायचं इसको उलटा करना है त्याला उलट करायचं आहे इसको रिव्हर्स करना है डिनोमिनेटर आणि न्यूमरेटरचं एक्सचेंज करायचं बघा दिसतं तुम्हाला ओके कॅन यू सी हिअर 5/6 आहे तर 6/5 येणार मग त्याला काय करतो आपण वी हॅव टू रिव्हर्स त्याला रिव्हर्स करायचं इट इज नोन ॲज मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह इन्व्हर्स किंवा रेसिप्रोकल गेटिंग गाइज सो मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह इन्व्हर्स ऑफ 4 च्या खाली काय का नाहीये बट इट इज 1 so multiplicative inverse of 1/4 4 is 1/4 समजलं तुम्हाला so that means काय दिलं बघा तुम्हाला इथे when the product of two numbers is 1 then each number is known as multiplicative inverse right आता दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट घेतला आपण तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी सांगितलं जर प्रोडक्ट जर घेतला गुणाकार केला तर काय ना 6 झालं कट 5 कट झालं आणि युअर आन्सर इज 1 therefore 5/6 and 6/5 they are known as multiplicative inverse of each other त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण multiplicative inverse getting guys you have to exchange the numerator and the denominator you have to exchange the numerator and denominator yes so you know that you understood the reciprocal and or multiplicative inverse so we'll start with practice set 13 और इसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 only will take because वो आपको डायरेक्टली रेसिप्रोकल के बारे में है एंड देन विल कम टू द डिवीजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस हम बाद में आ जाएंगे ओके लेट्स सी गाइस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हियर गिवन टू यू आप सब इसके आंसर मुझे बता सकते हो यू कैन ऑल टेल मी द आंसर so question number 1 we have to find out the reciprocals of following numbers so 7 is what 7 is 7/1 so reciprocal of 7/1 is 1/7 समझा ओके समझता सगळ्यांना so reciprocal of 7 is equal to 1/7 now tell me the answer of question number 2 कौन बताएगा मुझे आंसर बताओ मुझे
सर मैं बताऊं
हाँ बोल
सर ये 3/11
very good so the answer is 3/11 because we are going to exchange the numerator and denominator then next question मानसी बाळा सांग उत्तर मला मानसी can you tell me the answer of 5/13
सर मैं बताऊं
वेट मानसी काय सांगू शकतेस बाळा मानसी Subhash, tell me the answer, Subhash.
5
Yes. So
13/5
Mansi also told me because told me she called me just now, and she also told me the answer 13/5. You also told me the same answer, and it is the correct one, guys. So don't worry. Yes, Vedika सांग मला तुझा आन्सर काय येणार
1/2
व्हेरी गुड येस अजून कोण राहिले इथे who's left guys दीपक आवाज येतो तुला दीपक शॅलोम बता शॅलोम टेल मी द आन्सर ऑफ लास्ट क्वेश्चन शॅलोम फास्ट
सर मैं सांगू
हाँ सांग दीपक
7/6
Yes, so the answer is 7/6. The answer is 7/6. I don't think that you require this answer. मी तुम्हाला पाठवू नको ना उत्तर काय गरज आहे का पाठवायची नाही ना I don't think you require these answers.
सर
No, very good.
सर ये हमारे स्कूल में सिखा गया
Yes, so we'll come again to see the division of fractions. How are you going to divide the fractions? Let's see, guys. I'm directly coming to the क्वेश्चन मग तुम्हाला तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली सांगतो बघा काय इथे टू डिवाइड अ नंबर बघा काय करायचंय टू डिवाइड अ नंबर ए बाय अ फ्रैक्शन इज टू मल्टीप्लाई इट्स रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन क्या करना देखो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू आई विल डायरेक्टली टेल यू बाय द क्वेश्चन हियर so question number 1 you have to carry out following divisions you have to carry out following divisions so here question number 1 is that this one I'll solve this here 2 मतलब first है का this is the question number 2 मतलब first इथे सोडवतो बघा मी so what we need to do you have to divide 2/3 by you have to divide 2/3 by 1/4. काय करायचं 1/4 ने डिवाइड करायचं आहे. So what is the first step, guys? So first step is what? First fraction ला काहीच करायचं नाही. First fraction will remain as it is. First fraction will remain as it is. Then you have to remove the sign of division. Divisionचा sign तुम्हाला remove करायचा आहे and you have to replace it with the multiplication sign. You have to replace it with the multiplication sign. Getting, guys? So here it will be multiply. समजलं काय करायचं? Here it will be multiply and you have to take the multiplicative inverse of second fraction. ये जो second fraction है ना 1/4, याचा तुम्हाला multiplicative inverse घ्यायचा आहे, reciprocal घ्यायचा आहे. So it will be 4/1. It will be 4/1. Getting, guys? It will be 4/1. Now डिव्हिजन छोड़ दो, अभी डिव्हिजन विसरून जा. तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. समझा? व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? यू नीड टू मल्टिप्लाय नाउ, राइट नाउ. So you have to multiply numerator with the numerator, that is 2 into 4. Yes, so you have to multiply numerator with the numerator, that is 2 into 4 upon numerator denominator into denominator, 3 into 1. 2 into 4, 3 into 1. So your answer is 2 4 जा 8. काय होतं तुमचं? 2 4 जा 8 upon 3 1 जा 3 is your answer of question number 1. Getting? Okay, guys, so let's see question number 2. I hope you understand the first question. Very good. चला, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सॉल्व करूया इथे. सॉरी, आय एम चेंजिंग द कलर, गाइस. हां, सेम मेथड सॉल्व करायची आपल्याला. यू हॅव टू फॉलो द सेम मेथड, गाइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हियर. 5/9 divided by 3/2. 5/9 divided by 3/2. Therefore, the first fraction will remain as it is. So 5/9 will remain as it is. म्हणून त्याचा मी कलर चेंज नाही केलाय. Then we have to replace the sign. We have to replace the sign of division by multiplication, and we have to take the reciprocal of second fraction, that is 2/3. So what will come here? You have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. अंशाला अंशाने गुणा and छेदाला छेदाने, सॉरी चुकलोय, 2 यायला पाहिजे, 3 आले. So here 5 2s are 10 and here 9 3s are 27. So your answer is 5 2s are 10 and 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Getting, guys? Yes, guys. So let's see question number 3. Question number 3 we'll see, guys, here. Question number 3. 3/7 here. Question number 3. 3/7 divided by 5/11. Right, guys? So I hope आपका अभी इसमें कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है. You are not having any problem, guys, here in this question. So what we'll do? How to divide? You have to replace the sign of multiplication, divide by multiplication, and you have to take the inverse of second fraction, multiplicative inverse of second fraction, that is 11/5. Here you are going to multiply numerator with the numerator, that is 3 into 11, and you are going to multiply denominator with the denominator, that is 7 into 5. So 3 into 11 कितना होता है बता मुझे? 3 into 11 कितना होता है? 33. 33
3.
upon, yes, 33/33 कितना होता है सुभाष? 33/35. 33/35 is your answer of question number 3. So let's see, guys, next question. Question number, question number 4 here. So 11 upon here, question number 4, I'm taking here, question number 4. I hope you are able to see the screen. 11 upon 12 divided by 4/7. 4/7. So what are you going to do, guys? काय करायचं तुम्हाला? You have to take the first fraction as it is, 11/12. You have to replace the sign of division by multiplication, and after that you have to take the multiplicative inverse of second, that is the second fraction. So what comes here? You have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 11 into 7 upon 12 into 4. So कितना आता है? 11 into 7 कितना आता है? 77 upon 48 is your answer. 77 upon 48 is your answer. Okay. Yes, so last question is there. So I'll tell you what to do. I think you can solve this question. There are 420 students participating in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They cleaned 42 upon 75 part of the town, Sevagram. What part of Sevagram did a student clean if the work was equally shared by all? So here you have to multiply the work done by number of students. Work done by number of students. Therefore, you have to divide 42 upon 75 was the work done. You have to divide this by number of students. So number of students, that is 420. मैं सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ, you solve this. So what will become here? 42 upon 75. 42 upon 75 multiply by कितना आएगा? 1 upon 420. बरोबर कि नहीं? 1 upon 420. So solve this. You can solve this. क्या आएगा देखो solve करने के बाद. So 40 into यहाँ पे आएगा 1. Here it will be 10. Okay. So your answer is 1 into 1, 1. 75 into 10, 750. So every student, each student done this kind of work. कितना आ गया? 1 upon 75 work. उसने किया 1 upon 750 work. Each student did. ठीक है. This question is not as general in the examination. तो इसलिए थोड़ा आपके लिए पूछा जाता है. तो it is for only, it is the hard question for you guys.